now you have here on the right side a white stripe, a white solid line. Never hit, no cross, no touch. Can give a horn. No? Should we drive in a line, no? You can't front of us make a mistake. Drive on the line. You can see that, no? Please. We don't do that, no? So here's the zebra crossing, yeah, and then make a shoulder look, and we take the exit, the first one, zebra crossing, and you can see someone want to cross, yeah, someone want to go on a zebra crossing, they have to stop, like here, yeah, and here becomes tight, and you drive on the cycle lane. Check the cycle lane before you drive in. Overtake. Look inside, outside, side look. Pay attention. Yeah, it's dangerous in the curve, no? Don't make an overtake. Then you drive a little bit slower, no? Okay. Nice. So we stop behind the bus, no? Because the bus is stopping only 10 seconds. These 10 seconds we have in our life. Not overtake the bus in the city. That's a good information and can help you, and you can then in these 10 seconds deep breath and relax, shoulders down, and you can pray. Breath and pray, in the exam. So 2 buses, you can see that it's very tight, yeah. Don't drive on the border. Big curves, that's good enough. And on a lamp, we turn right. And we turn right. Pay attention for the border here on the right side. We come now to the next circle, roundabout. And we take the exit, the first one. An der ersten Ausfahrt verlassen wir den Kreisverkehr. Look in the circle, nobody there, and then you can drive, no? So now you can, and the first we get out. Looks like very good. The sky, the clouds. So now here is 60 and the examiner is looking for the speed. No, you pass the sign 60?
Yeah, 60,
Yeah.
but this car.
Yeah, you can drive 60 here, it's possible. Yeah. So now you pass the city sign. You can
Now
see
it's
it's written on Düsseldorf, and now it's 50.